Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm and get up. Get out of bed. I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. Wash your face. I wash my face with cold water. Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. Take a shower. I take a shower with warm water. Comb your hair. I comb my hair after taking a shower. Get dressed. I get dressed quickly when I am late. Make the bed. I make my bed every morning. Eat breakfast. I eat breakfast before going to school. Drink coffee. I drink coffee with milk and sugar. Pack your bag. I always pack my bag before school. Say goodbye. I kiss my mother and say goodbye every morning. Leave the house. I leave the house at 9 a.m. Lock the door. I lock the door before leaving. Take a bus. I take a bus every morning to go to school. Take off shoes. I take off my shoes at the door. Buy groceries. I buy groceries on my way home. Wash hands. I wash my hands after coming home. Change clothes. After coming home, I always change clothes. Cook dinner. I cook dinner with my mom. Set the table. I set the table for dinner every evening. Eat dinner. I eat dinner with my family. Wash dishes. I wash the dishes after dinner. Watch TV. I watch TV when I have free time. Read a book. I read a book before I go to sleep. Do homework. I do my homework after dinner. Call a friend. After work, I call a friend to chat. Take a walk. After lunch, I take a walk to get some fresh air. Mop the floor. I always mop the floor when it's dirty. Take out the trash. I forgot to take out the trash last night. Clean the fridge. I clean the fridge every month. Clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom every Saturday. Wash the windows. I wash the windows when they look dirty. Go out for dinner. I like to go out for dinner with my family. Visit the doctor. I visit the doctor for a checkup. Take medicine. I take medicine when I am sick. Get a haircut. I get a haircut at the salon near my house. Wear a mask. I wear a mask in crowded places. Meet friends. I meet my friends at the park every afternoon.